Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Beem Digital Wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. The first thing to do is to open your App Store. Also, don't forget to connect to a stable internet whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you have a good internet connection, search for Beem Digital Wallet in the search bar. Once you come across this application, which looks like this, tap on the Get button to start downloading it on your device. Beem is a digital wallet and financial service platform that allows users to manage their money, make payments, and access various financial products and services. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, and once the application is downloaded, simply launch it open and get started creating a new account or log into your existing wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.